M0FXB. Just a quick one on how to use Winscp. So if you want to make changes to your Raspberry Pi 3 or 2, you're going to need to get into your SD card and change things. Now they call it SSH, don't they? So you've got the putty method, which looks like this. We'll show both, and you've got the Winscp. So Putty, you just Google it, download, and you'll get this. And what you would normally do to log into Putty, you would type in the IP address here, 192. Not really sure what we've got active at the moment. I'll just have a quick look, see what I've got active that I can log into. Yeah, so we have got some stuff active. So 192.168.1.110, and port number is on most All-Star nodes is 222. So this sort of thing you'd use Putty-For is to get into your All-Star node, or you might be doing DV switch. So you log in and you get a window like this black window here that comes up. Now Winscp is a bit different. This would use the login numbers I've just given, but it would also use the username and passwords that you've set in your SD card. So let's say the SD card, it goes in your All-Star node, where you would have created a password for that. So Winscp allows you to log into everything and then make changes. So if you say you want to set up your All-Star node to get into to connect to Echolink, you need to go into the Echolink conf file and make changes, and this is how you would do it. So I would just say, so what you would do here, you would put the IP address of your All-Star node, which you'll find doing a network search. Hopefully you already know it. So we'll put it in here, like so. Put in the, pretty sure it's all the 2s for that, and then we'll have normally root is the username, and then a password. So let's just do a temporary password for now. Right, so hopefully that will log in. Yeah, if it works, it'll go all the way down. And then I'm not going to do the whole changes, but once you get this far, you can make changes. So look, you've got all these things you can change. Root is you can change different directories here at the top. So for example, if I was doing an All-Star node, I would double click here, and then I would go to something like asterisk. So go down a bit, asterisk, and then I'd look for like my Echolink, file, which is here somewhere. I'll try and find it. It's going to be here somewhere. Echolink. There you are, Echolink conf. See, and then files come up, and then there's all sorts of stuff here. Okay. So you'd make changes there. You'd make lots of changes there, and then you close it, and it will save. Click OK, and then go back into Putty. You can reset asterisk, and then keep going. So that's how you use that. I'll just show you where you can find Winscp. So just do a search, Winscp. You'll get this, and then go download it, and then here's their page. Download that, and then like I said, when you open it, you've just seen what it looks like. So I hope this helps you how to use Winscp, and then I'll just quickly go and Putty. Just put Putty in Google, Putty. Putty, there you are, free downloads, loads of download places, and as I said, it looks like, if you just close that window a minute, Putty login looks a bit like that. And so yeah, hope that helps. M0FXB 73.